No poison. Alright, I was supposed to take out that apple. Oh well. Got track taken care of, so I'm happy. What you get for killing Doomguy's dragon? Everyone. And yes, we have an unscheduled video. I was a bit busy yesterday, so I couldn't really do a whole bunch of stuff regarding the new sneak peek. But I saw the new boyz, so I figured, you know what? Let's go over them. Yet, to the recording. Thank you, Pasquesi. This is going to be a sort of just initial reaction, not going into the nitty-gritty of everything. But for the first slide, we have what looks to be a burner boy, a boy with a big shooter, and a boy with a regular shooter. Honestly, they look good. I like the details and everything. And yeah. Ooh, other things I can do. Going on to the next side, we get a full-on chopper boy. Looks like a sort of orcish bowie knife in one hand, or kukri. Of course, you gotta have that stick bomb. Yeah, a real nice wind up. Unfortunately, he's just kinda old. I have plans. Oh, do I have plans? And just freaking launch that from arm like nobody's business. And then of course, Slugger Dagger. And it's in the first script. There's my shotgun. Anyway, ooh! And there's the Dale Squiggler. Reminds me of something, but I cannot recall what. But looks to be a tank buster. At least from the bevy of rockets. Freaking take out the White House with those. And then of course, slugger shooter combo. Looking ready to take out all the biggies. And the good old axe and slugger. Whether he needs to take a head or pop a cap in someone's ass. Is ready to go. I'm guessing this is the boss knob. And again, the squig is there. The squig is always there. Never have enough squigs. And of course, our boss knob has a good old combi shooter. A good old axe. And a garrote assistant. Because why carry your own ammunition when you can have a garrote carted around for you? That's what they're for. Minions and food. Anyways, that is all the boys. So I am going to hand it over. Are you ready to wow? Oh yes. These melty packets look very enticing. I cannot wait to get my hands on them. Oh, yes. Anyways, Casey of Coffee and Hobby, signing out.